a brief account of evolution. Brief account of evolution means how that organism is evolved from inorganic material to organic materials. So about 2000 million year back, the first cellular form observed. First cellular organism was appeared on the earth. These first cellular organisms formed from non-cellular materials. Non-cellular material. These non-cellular material aggregated to form giant macromolecules, and then these giant macromolecules to form cells, or that was the first living organism. Some of these cells are photosynthetic. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Some of these cells photosynthetic. इनमें से कुछ फोटोसिंथेटिक थी जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑब्जॉर्ब करती थी और ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करती थी. About 500 million year back, 500 million year ago, invertebrates formed. Invertebrates formed during the before 500 million year back, and from its 350 million year back, that jawless fish evolved. This evolved. 350 year back, jawless fish evolved, and 320 million year back, that is seaweeds also produced. So along the animals, plants is also evolved in the nature. Then after that, some organisms move towards the lands. So the first land organism was plants. First land organism, that is of plants, which inhabited on the lands. And during these times, some strong fishes that come out from the water and move towards land, again go back into the water. During the time of 350 million year back, strong fishes move to lands and again go back to the water. So due to which that amphibians is also developed. So these amphibians also developed during this time. Amphibians developed, then amphibians to reptiles developed. Then during 200 million year ago, that's turtle, crocodile, and tortoise. Tortoise were observed and they evolved. This is the main period of reptiles. So during this time period means 200 200 million years ago, dinosaurs also observed. Dinosaurs also observed, and at this time France is also present. France also present during this time, but they failed to deposit their fossils or coal because the complex tissue, the hard tissue, is not present inside the France, so they failed to deposit coals or they failed to deposit their fossils. So France also originated during or before the 200 million year back. After that, 65 million year back, these dinosaurs suddenly disappear due to environmental reason or any other reason. 65 million year back, these also disappeared. Then after, first mammal-like organism was Sioux. First mammal organism developed, that is Sioux-like animals. Sioux-like animals. When these reptiles, dinosaurs, down back on the earth, means their number will be decreases. After that, mammals take over the earth. You see, 65 million year back, dinosaurs और जो reptiles थे उनकी संख्या कम होने लगी, तो mammals ने उनकी संख्या ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज होने लगी, और all the mammals developed on the earth. During this time, continental drift is also there, due to which all the continent before that together, they will be separate from each other, and that's why the marsupial or Australian marsupial live in the Australia, because due to absence of competition. In the rest of world, means ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अलावा रेस्ट वर्ल्ड है, वहाँ पे अलग अलग तरह के कॉम्पिटिशन्स हुए होंगे, जिसकी वजह से ऑस्ट्रेलियन मार्सुपियल्स और पाउच्ड एनिमल्स इज नॉट फाउंड इन द रेस्ट वर्ल्ड, दैट ओनली प्रेजेंट इन द ऑस्ट्रेलिया, बिकॉज वेयर competition was absent, though they lived in that condition but not in other worlds. So this is the brief account of evolution. In this we can say that the complete Earth lifespan divided into three eras: Cenozoic, Mesozoic, and Paleozoic era. And these eras again subdivided in the different periods, and during the different periods, different plants and animals evolved side by side. Along with plants and animals, both the evolved in the nature side by side. So this is the brief account of evolution. Origin and evolution of man. Origin and evolution of man. The human beings evolved about 15 million years ago. During the 15 million years back, two types of human-like organisms is present. That is of Dryopithecus and another one is of Dramapithecus. Dryopithecus and Dramapithecus. The Dryopithecus is more api-like, and Dramapithecus was more human-like. Means that human beings originate from Dramapithecus. Then after, in Ethiopia and Tanzania, Ethiopia and Tanzania, man-like fossils were found. Man-like fossils were found. These were found before 3 to 4 million years back, and these are after that again 3 to 4 million year ago, man-like primates found in Eastern Africa. Before 3 to 4 million years back, man-like primates found in the Eastern Africa. They were 4 feet height. They were 4 feet height or long, tall. They upright, सीधे चलते थे, upright. Then 2 million years back, Australopithecines observed in their fossils were found in African grassland. In African grassland, Australopithecines fossils found before the 2 million year back. They hunted with a stone. Means ये शिकार करते थे with the stone. They hunted with stone and ate fruit. These are called hominid. These are human-like. Hominid and called Homo habilis. These were human-like and called Homo habilis. Then after, if we see the brain capacity of Homo habilis, that is 600 brain capacity 600 to 850 cc, and they not eat meat. Here they eat fruit. They eat the fruit, and brain capacity is of 600 to 800 cc. Then after, Homo erectus fossils were found before 1.5 million years ago in Java. Homo erectus fossils were found before 1.5 million years back, and their brain capacity is 900 cc, and they ate meat. Then to Neanderthal men fossils were found, and their brain capacity is of 1400 cc. They lived near Central Asia. they live near the Central Asia. Between 1 lakh to 40,000 year back, 1 lakh to 40,000 year back, these Neanderthal men were observed in Central Asia. They buried their death bodies. Also, after that, between the 75,000 to 10,000, another or modern man, that is of Homo sapiens, fossils were found in Central Asia also. They stay in the caves. They prepared or they formed prehistoric art also. After that, step by step, they stay gather together and stay do agriculture, and after that civilization is formed. So human life were observed before 10,000 year back. That was Homo sapiens. और वो एक जगह रहने लग गया था, सोसाइटी बना करके रहने लग गया था, अपनी डेड बॉडीज को वो मरीड करता था। एग्रीकल्चर का उस टाइम डेवलपमेंट हुआ था धीरे धीरे, और उससे पहले जो प्री हिस्टोरिक केव जो है वो 1 लाख to 40,000 के आसपास, जिसको अपन आदि मानव कहते हैं, वो गुफाओं में रहता था, और आर्ट जो केव आर्ट है वो उसी ने बनाई थी। दिस इज द evolution of human being. In the present human being, that is of Homo sapiens, which was evolved just before the 10,000 year back.